So we just finished up our 3-day Details R Certified Detailer Licensee training, and we have Stephen here. Stephen, where are you from?
I'm from Valparaiso, Indiana,
And you drove all the way.
and I drove all the way.
How many hours away?
It's minimal 6.5,
Good.
depending
Excellent.
on traffic.
So did you enjoy your weekend here?
I loved it. I loved it.
Out of all 3 days training, Friday was the business and marketing training, Saturday exterior paint correction, ceramic coating training, today interior cleaning, detailing, ceramic coating, and the headlight restoration. You know, what were some of the high points of this weekend for you?
I'm a big ceramic coat guy. I just love the finish of a ceramic coating. I love the way it feels. I love the hydrophobics of them. So to get to try a new product that is offered here, the product is actually fantastic. It's
That was the
very
Jade
easy.
product?
The
Yep.
Jade. I'm sorry. The up to 70.
Yeah, the Obsidian. Yeah, I've
Obsidian.
been using Jade we've been training on Jade for close to 10 years now. Great
Yeah.
results. And you saw how it worked on my Mercedes. We just washed it. And it's been on there, the Jade Jet's been on there for 2 years already.
Right. It's an amazing product. It's very easy to apply. I love the slickness, the gloss. It makes the car look amazing. I'm really big on that.
Sure. How did the trainers do?
The trainers did great. They worked really hard. They worked side by side with you. They kind of show you some things that they've learned and what they like to do.
Sure.
And they get in there right with you. They don't like to just stand and watch you
Right.
the entire time. So
That's what we like.
yes.
We don't like people standing around and watching.
No.
Excellent.
So
Would
they
you
were
refer? Thank you. Would you refer others to come to our class as long as they weren't a competitor of yours?
I absolutely would.
Yeah.
I think it's
Greatly
well
appreciate that.
worth the trip.
Appreciate that. You're a great student, man. I mean, you asked a lot of questions. I could tell you were very picky about things, and that always impresses me. So you're going to do well.
Thank you. I really appreciate everything you've done.
Thank you. You are now Details R certified, and I really appreciate you and your compliments.
Yes.
And I'm always here for you, man. You are now Details R certified licensee.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.